Hello beautifuls, it's Simple Beauty TV. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you a secret oil recipe for hair growth. This oil will regrow your hair, it will make it shiny, and it will also treat the damaged dryness of the hair. But make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any of awesome effective remedy. We will need 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, then take a natural aloe vera leaf and cut it into little cubes. Then put them in a bowl with the oil. And warm the oil by using the double boiler method. Leave it to set for a minute, and you can also do this on a stove. Then mix them together and leave it for another minute. Then take it out of the water and take the aloe vera out of the oil. This oil will help to grow your hair super fast, so take some of it with your fingers and massage your scalp for 5 minutes. Coconut oil and aloe vera is a perfect combination for hair because it moisturizes and conditions the hair, so it treats split ends and damaged dry hair also. So apply it to the tips of your hair as well. Leave it for 2 hours, then wash it with shampoo. You can also leave it overnight and in the next morning wash your hair. So that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any effective remedies coming up. And see you in my next video. Bye!